Hello guys, we are now for our new lesson. Our topic is on how to make easy finger transitioning on your guitar. So remember, our topic is on how to make easier or to make easy the finger transitioning on a guitar. Alright, if you are ready, we can start after you follow to this profile, Seriaco Garcia. Alright, we have to start right now. We have a way to easy transitioning your finger by changing the chord on the guitar. Some tips or some ideas you can adapt from me, okay? When you are playing the G, how to apply the easy finger transitioning. So just continuous picking downward, then upward, or ascending and descending. Start from the G, bass G, picking downward, then ascending or descending, then play the bass E. This is the bass of E. Then continues picking downward again, then upward, then the bass of the C chord. Then picking downward again, the D, use the D, the bass D. G, picking downward, then upward, then E minor. Then downward again, the C. Then downward, the D. Downward, then upward. So just exercise this. Downward and upward, like downward and upward. At the same time, now you know how to easy synchronize your finger transitioning on the guitar neck or on your guitar. So now you know how to easy synchronize or easy to manage your finger transitioning on the guitar. Just easy, simple tips. Downward and upward picking. At one time, you know how to read them. You are a rhythm guitarist, and at the same time, you are a bass player. Rhythm with this note, this is a bass. So you know how to play the rhythm at the same time you're with the bass. You are a bass player. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope it helps you to improve yourself. So just make practice every day. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow, like, and share. Alright.